Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about the change of base rule. Your book has, they write it like this, which in my opinion is more complicated than it needs to be. Alright, so that's how it's written in the book. Now, because you can change it to any base that you want, and the way that you use this is to be able, if you have log base 2 of 3, we can't plug that directly into our calculator. And so using this formula, we can change it to any base. That's what this base c is. And so you're always going to either change it to base 10 or natural log. I suggest natural log, I just prefer it. And so it just becomes natural log of 3 over natural log of 2. Type that into a calculator, you get a decimal approximation for that. And the way I think about it, 3 is physically higher up on the page, so 3 goes on top. The base 2, the original base, is lower on the page, and so it goes on the bottom. Okay? Alright, now what we're going to do, it says find log base 2 of 9, so it wants us to change to base 10, and then change to base e. So if we change it to base 10, it's going to be log 9 over log 2. If we change to e, it's going to be natural log 9, natural log 2. Now, if we plug either of those into a calculator, we're going to get the same answer. And I think that's the point of this problem, is to show you that it doesn't actually matter if you use log or natural log. So log 9 divided by log 2, 3.17. Now if we do natural log 9 divided by natural log 2, 3.17. So both of these equal 3.17. And so for the change of base rule, it doesn't matter if you use log or natural log. Now obviously in like almost any other situation, it does matter which one you use, but that's it. So let's just do one more. The book doesn't have another example, but I just want to make it clear. But you can always use log or you can always use natural log. Just make sure it's consistent. So if we do log base 5 of 7, we would just do natural log of 7 over natural log of 5. Go to our calculator. Natural log 7 divided by natural log of 5. We end up with 1.21. Alright, that's it for this video. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.